An all-electric CNC servo bending machine is a high-precision industrial machine that uses servo-electric motors instead of hydraulics systems to drive all axes of motion, controlled by a computer numerical control CNC system. These machines are designed for bending tubes, pipes, or metal profiles with exceptional accuracy, energy efficiency, and automation capabilities. Key advantages: energy efficiency uses approximately 70% less power than hydraulic machines by activating motors only during movement. Precision and repeatability: servo motors enable exact angle radius control, plus or minus 0.1 tolerance, and consistent results in batch production. Speed and flexibility: rapid tool-free adjustments for variables, ready or multi-stage bends in a single cycle. Low maintenance: no hydraulic fluids, filters, or pumps reduce upkeep costs and downtime. Environmentally friendly: quieter operation, less than 75 decibels, and no oil leaks. All electric CNC servo bending machines represent the pinnacle of bending technology, offering unmatched precision, sustainability, and adaptability for modern manufacturing. They are ideal for industries prioritizing lean production, complex geometries, and reduced operational costs.